Well, welcome back, everybody. Boy, what an exciting day overnight, and wow, boy, where do you go from here, right? Let's just talk about that right now. This is so exciting. So, first things first, right? We've been talking the last 3 weeks about this key area right here, right? A broken record, but it's important to repeat it because history repeats itself over and over and over again. It's all about fear and greed, and so the two emotions that we just can't shake in society. And so when we take a look at this, we have numerous opens, highs, lows, close, touches there. We also had this major support level down here that we continued to hit over there. Well, so flashback to yesterday, we came down there kind of near the support area and then charged up for the day, right? Bringing us a nice solid up bar there. And then going into today's session here, from the overnight all through the session, not only did we and not even pull back, we just opened up and then just more and more and more buy opportunities continued to present themselves in today. So, we told you how we were kind of coiling. Well, here we kind of had a real nice snap out there today. So very exciting, and I've intentionally kept the daily chart to a very basic chart just with those key support resistance levels. Obviously, if I were to add on, my key work, then you'd see there's the daily chart. You can see how everything, ITP, TRP, champion trend pack, everything is this buy side, right? That's daily, hourly, 5 minute, 1 minute, 2 minutes, the whole 9 yards. Just absolutely drop dead gorgeous. But keeping it really focused here. So we had us, coming back out of this area again, passing the test on the support side, breaking through the resistance side. So of course, I love those, long side trades. We got above that important psychological 22,000 level, and that opened the door for the continuation along with the news of, ceasefires and that, in the, world news and world wars. So with that being said, a lot of excitement generated. That opened up a lot of opportunities, right? You guys know one of the favorite things I love to do is look for, sell side bars in uptrends, sell side bars and uptrends. That is a phenomenal place to look for long side re-entries. So that's one of the places I was focusing on, long side trading, for instance, this morning here. And then also we had, remember yesterday, we had all those different runaways. Remember how I was trading, with my own live money here, runaways. Well, here again today then, same concept. So we had the beautiful initial buy signals that got us to target 1 midpoint, and then target 2 kind of pulled back there from target 2, started to take back off and push right back up again. So that opened the door for runaways in addition to, with my live trading, and then in addition to the regular traditional TRP entry signals. So a lot of great stuff. And then over and over, you can kind of see there, and right now is the time of this video, it's 2:30 Eastern time. So the cash market's open for about another hour and a half. I'm done though, because I've got meetings all afternoon, because I've got a great class with you guys tomorrow morning, and I've got meetings about a whole bunch of new exciting things that we're going to be releasing for WealthCharts family members that I'm super excited about, and you will be too. So I got my trading out of the way in the morning, and now and getting back to taking care of you guys here in the afternoon. So, you see we had the entries, we had target 1s, target 2s, right? Entries, target 1s, target 2s, entries, target 1s, target 2s, over and over and over again today. And like I said, we're going to hit this real hard tomorrow. I told you, into the weekend, that coming into this week, I'd be focusing on this strategy because it's a great strategy where we can very easily focus on entries and then immediately have stop losses and then targets, right? And then, trailing targets to go behind it. So it opens up a huge amount of opportunities for all traders. So tomorrow morning, I'm doing that special class that's for all traders. I did a class a week and a half ago. That was for really the top 25% of most serious traders. Tomorrow's class is for everybody. So if you're new, you're struggling, you're brand new into this, and you don't know how serious you want to be, or you're very serious, regardless of where you're at on the spectrum here of, trading ambitions, tomorrow's class will be for you. And so this one is going to be really powerful. And so I'm looking forward to going and seeing you guys here. Again, we'll kind of recap some of my trading here from yesterday and today with my live real money, and then also talk about these strategies and why you need an a clear entry point, a target, perhaps an extended target, and then if it breaks those targets, how to find those runaways, how to scan for those, and then also where do you set that initial stop loss there, and then how do you trail a trade. All that's going to be discussed clearly on the screen in front of you tomorrow at this very exciting event. I personally haven't done this event for well over a year and a half, might be closer to 2 years, so it's pretty exciting to be able to be there personally with you, doing it, and after using it, with my own trading here, even just these last couple of days here, of course, right here in the right now. So you guys have a great night. I'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow morning. Go to becomeabettertrader.com/go. Becomeabettertrader.com/go. Go and get registered, and we'll be together at 10 a.m. Eastern, 9 Central, 7 a.m. Pacific. See you there, gang. Have a great night, and I'm excited to go ahead and see what's going to happen tomorrow and beyond with these markets because they're just absolutely incredible. See you in the morning, gang. Bye-bye.